Good morning, children. Yesterday we have done the checkpoint assigning, arranging the fractions in the ascending order, and we have compared two fractions, and we have placed greater than or less than in required places in checkpoint section. Now we will go to the addition of fractions. What is that? Addition of fractions. Additions of fractions. Okay, so I have discussed about the like fractions where numerators are different but denominators are same. Like fractions. When we add like fractions, we have to put the denominator same for both, but we have to add the numerators. Here an example. Add 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. So here the denominators are same, that is like fractions. They are the like fractions. If we have like fractions where denominators are same, we have to add directly the numerators. We have to add only numerators. We should not add this both. Then 3 by 8 add is a plus symbol. 4 by 8 equal to, put 8. 3 plus 4. Directly you have to do 3 plus 4. Now 7 by 8 is the answer. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 by 8 is the answer. When they gave the like fractions, 3 by 8 or and 4 by 8 or like fractions. What are they? Like fractions. So we have to add only numerators. Adding unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, when we have numerator, we have to take the LCM of denominator and then we have to make two denominators same. Then only we have to add. Okay, they gave one example. I will say. Add 5 by 6 and 3 by 4. When there are unlike fractions, we have to convert it to the denominators, to this denominators into the one same denominator. That is how you will convert. Take the LCM of this denominator values. What is LCM of 6, 5 and 6, 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 or unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So LCM of 6 and 4. What is 6 and 4? Denominator values is, what is the LCM? Two tables, 2 3s are 2 2s are. Always take prime numbers here. 3 and put it the number as it is if it is not divisible by that number. Up to 1 we have to solve this LCM. And what will be 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 and 12. 12 is the LCM of 6 and 4. Now add them. Convert them. 5 and 6. 12 is, when 12 will come in 6 table, 12, 6 2 jars. 12 is multiple of 6 when 2 it is multiplied with 2. Plus No, you have not guessed now. In 4 table, 4 3s are 12. You have to multiply with the same number, numerator and denominator. Now what is there? 10 by 12, 9 by 12. Now these two are converted into the like fractions. Now we have to add them directly. Add them. 10 by 12 plus 9 by 12 equal to. You have to add them directly because they are the like fractions. 10 plus 9 equal to 19 by 12. Therefore, what is the sum of addition of 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4 equal to 19 by 12? What is the sum? 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4 equal to 19 by 12. And finally, we have to change that into the improper fractions. If you get the improper fractions, we have to change them into the mixed fractions. So 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. You know about the mixed fractions, right? In the previous example, we have discussed about 2 fractions. Now they gave the 3 fractions. What are the fractions? Are unlike fractions. If we have unlike fractions, we have to convert them into the like fractions. How you will convert? By changing the denominators. By taking the LCM, we can change the denominators. So LCM of 8, 16 and 24. What is the LCM of them? 8, 16, 24. 2 table, 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 12s are. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 6s are. Again 2 table, 1s are 2s are 3s are. Again 2 table, 3. Now multiply. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 4 into 3. That is 4 into 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 is the LCM. Is 48. Now convert all the fractions to the like fractions. How? By making the LCM 48 as their denominator. By making the LCM 48 as their denominator. In 8 table, 48 is divisible. When the 48 is when what number is multiplied, then we get 48. It's 6. 6. 16 3s are 48. 24 2s are 48. Now convert. 30 by 48, 15 by 48, 14 by 48. Now we have to add them. Now we have to add them. 30 by 48 plus 15 by 48 plus 14 by 48. When it is a like terms, we have to add the numerators directly. 30 plus 15 plus 14. 15 3 sorry 45. 30 plus 45 75. 75 plus 14. 30 plus 45 is 75 plus 14 89. 89 by 48. What is that? 89 by 48 is the answer. But it is in the improper fraction. We have to convert it into proper fraction. 48 to the 96. But 89 is before 48. 89 is before 96. So what we have to do? 89 minus 48, 141. The fraction will be the improper fraction will be 141 by 48. This 48 into 2 into 1 we have to do, and we have to add this. This is the mixed fraction. What is this? Mixed fraction. Now the next section is adding mixed fractions. What is that? Adding mixed fractions. Next, adding mixed fractions. Adding mixed fractions. First, in the mixed fractions, when they gave question in the mixed fractions, we have to convert them into the improper fractions. Then we have to convert that improper unlike fractions into the like fractions. Then we have to add numerators, and the final, that is the answer. Now we will do the example. Add 3 by 4, 4 2 by 3, and 2 1 by 6. Here they gave us the mixed fractions. First we have to convert them into improper fractions. Improper fraction, that is the like fraction. It will be the unlike fraction. This improper fraction is also it will be an unlike fraction. Then we have to convert into the like fractions. That is, make the denominators same. Then we have to make this like fraction side. We have to add the fractions. We have to add the fractions. After getting the answer, we have to convert that into mixed. Convert into mixed fraction. What is that? Next we have to convert them into the mixed fraction. First we have to convert this into the improper fraction, that will be the unlike fractions. Next we have to convert that unlike fraction into the like fraction. Next we have to add them. That unlike fractions, how can we add? Add all the numerators. Numerators add after we get the answer. We have to convert that into a mixed fraction. Here how we will convert into like fraction? By taking LCM of denominators. How? The LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Now convert this into the improper fractions. How? 3 into I plus. Here we have to multiply. Here we have to add the answer. After the product of these two numbers, we have to add the answer. Here 4. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 3. Here 3. 3 into 4 is 12 plus 2. And 14 by 3, 13 by 6. These are the improper fractions, that is the unlike fractions. Now convert unlike fractions into the like fractions. How? By taking LCM of denominators. What are the denominators? 4, 3 and 6. 4, 3 and 6. 2. 2 ones are 2 into 2 into 3. 4 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. The denominator, the LCM of 4, 3 and 6 is 12. Now convert all this fraction to like fractions by making the denominator as 12 for all. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are in 6 table 12. 6 2s are 15 3s are 45 by 12. Next 14 into 4. 14 4s are 56. 56 by 12. Now 13 2s are 26. 26 by 12. Now add all this. 45 by 12 plus 56 by 12 plus 26 by 12. Add 45 plus, in the like fractions we can add numerators directly. 45 plus 56 plus 26. Then what is the answer? 45 plus 56. 1. Carry 1 not 1. Then plus 26. 127 is the answer. 127 is the answer. Now 12 tensa is 120. 12 tensa is 120. 120 plus 7. 127. Finally convert the answer into the mixed fractions. Have converted. Next we have fun to do activity. Fun to do activity. Circle the fractions that add together to make one. There is a fun to do activity. Circle the fractions that add together to make one. Next activity is fun to do activity. In fun to do activity, I have taken 3 problems. First one 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Here we have 4 fractions. What are the fractions are? Like fractions. Here they ask, circle the fractions that add together to make one. To make one, we have to add all this we have to add any of these fractions, that will only will make the addition will be the 1. The result will be 1. Here we take 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. We can add numerators directly because the denominator is same. There is a like fractions. 3 by 4. Is it 1? No. Now we will add 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4, if same numbers are there, 4 divided by 4. This means 4 divided by 4. It is equal to 1. So answer is 1. This will make 1. This will not. This will make 1. Circle done. We'll check another. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4 equal to 8 by 4 it will be. What is the 8 by 4? 4 1s are 4 2s are. So answer will be 2. No, it is not. It will not make 1. So again 5 by 4 plus 2 by 4. What is the answer? 7 by 4. This is also wrong. Only these two can make 4 1. Okay. Here we will go 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8 equal to 7 by 8. Good. Next 5 by 8 plus 1 by 8 equal to 6 by 8. Here you can see that 7 by 8 plus 1 by 8 equal to 8 by 8. That answer will be 1. If we add 3 here, we will get 1. And we have another one also. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 8 by 8. This is also 1. We can add this 3, we get 8 by 8. Again we can add this 2, we can get 8 by 8. We have two choices here. But I am circling only this one. If you want, you can circle this 3. Next here also see. We after adding 2, we won't get 8 by 8. But if we add all these fractions, completely 8. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. After adding all this, it will get 8 by 8. So, here we get 8 by 8 after adding all this. I'll circle all. Similarly, do the remaining problems. How many do we have? 3, 4, 5. Do all the remaining and you have to circle. If you possibly we have, I think 4 we have in the fifth one. See 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If you add, you will get 4 by 4. Then it will become 1. So you can circle completely. Next we will go to the exercise 6.3. Next we will go to the exercise 6.3. Next exercise 6.3. What is the bit? Find the sums. Here they gave the fraction, they said to add. What is the sum? It is the adding two numbers to get the sum. Okay, first one is for homework. 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. How can you do? They are the like fractions. How can you add the like fractions? same. And third one is also easy. Convert the take the LCM of two numbers and convert the denominators into the LCM value. Then when the denominator after you multiplying some number to get the LCM, you will get the denominator same for both, and then we will convert them into the like fractions. Then you can add the both. And fourth one is also same. First two, third, fourth are for homework. And I will do fifth one. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 10 plus 4 by 15. Here first what we have to do? First we have to convert them into the like fractions. How you will convert them into the like fractions? By taking LCM of the denominators. They are the unlike fractions. The above fractions are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Convert them into like fractions. Convert them into the like fractions. How you will convert? By taking the LCM. By taking LCM of 5, 10, 15 is, what is it? These all numbers are divisible by 5. So what is the LCM? 5 into 2 into 3. 5 to the 10. 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 3 is 30. LCM of 5, 10, 15 is 30. Now we have to convert them into the like fractions. Let's put addition directly. Here 5 into 6 is 30. So 5 into 6, and we have to multiply same number numerator and denominator. Please remember 10 into 3 is 30. 10 into 3. 15 2s are. Now what the 3 6 are? 3 6 are, what is that? I got this. 3 into 6, 18. 30 plus 21 by 30. 7 3s are 21. 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 by 30. Now add them. In the like fractions, we have to add numerators directly. 18 plus 21 plus 8. What is the answer? 18 plus 21 plus 18 plus 21 9, 39. 39 plus 8, 7 multiplied, that is 47. What is it? 47 by 30. Convert take 6, 7 as homework. Same, and we here they gave 3. Here I take 9th problem. I will explain the 9th problem. Please look here. 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. 4 1 by 2 plus 2. The last time they gave only one digit. They didn't give any fraction. So what we have to do? This is the called unit fraction. 2 by 1 we have to put. If it is 1 under any fraction, the number itself. Now convert them into the improper fraction, that is the unlike fractions. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 here plus 2. Next 4 into 2 plus 1. Next 2 by 1, right? 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1, 5 by 3 plus 9 by 2 plus 2 by 1. Now we have to take the LCM. What will be the LCM of 3 and 2 and 1? 3. 1, 2, 1, again 2, 3 to the 6. If they don't have common factors, we can directly add, multiply them. So they gave 6 as LCM. Now we have to convert them into the 6. How? In 3, 2 is 6. 3 into 2, then 5 into 2 plus 9. 2 into 3 is 6. Here into 3. 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 6. 5 to the 10. 10 by 6 plus 27 by 6 plus 12 by 6. Right? Now there we have converted them into the like fractions. Now add them directly. 10 plus 27 plus 12 will be equal to 10 plus 22 is 12 is 22. 22 plus 27 is 49. 49 by 6. Convert this into the improper, that is mixed fraction. This is improper fraction. We have to convert them into the mixed fraction. 6 8 is 48, right? 6 8 is 48. Then what will be the 48 plus 1 is 49. 6 8 is 48. You convert this into the improper fraction. 8 by 1 by 6 means we have to multiply and we have to add. 8 into 6 plus 1. 8 into 6 48. 48 plus 1 by 6. The answer is 49 by 6. 8 1 by 6 is the answer. Remaining do for all, do for the homework. Homework. Read addition of fractions in textbook. Read and understand again please. exercise 6.3 remaining problems and learn tables. Complete font to do section. That the font to do in previously we done the circle the fractions add together to make one. You have to complete that. Thank you.